We slept in today.
I did.
Yeah, it's just a couple more, 3 more mornings. Tomorrow, Monday, and Tuesday. And then we got to sleep in till the new year.
Right.
As far as I know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yep.
And
so
we have to get up early tomorrow because we're going
the
up
event.
to
Yeah.
the event up at the track.
Yeah, it starts at 10, so we'll be up at 7, out the door at 8, something like that tomorrow.
At least it won't be 5:30.
Right, anything's better than 5:30, which is killing us. Johnny seems to feel better.
Yes, he definitely.
He had his normal milk with coffee drink this morning.
Yeah.
Yeah, he seems to be doing. We're having him studying today because
he can't study
exams
tomorrow.
are Monday and Tuesday, and tomorrow's not going to be a good study day.
Right.
I'm going to head to town.
Yep.
I'm going to catch some Pokemon. There's a community day event going on. I'm going to have the car back around 3 because Don's going to wash Ruby because she is filthy and because people are going to see her tomorrow for sure.
Yeah. Today I'm going to use the foam cannon.
Oh,
so stay tuned.
Good, great, awesome. I love it. Yeah, she needs a little set and let stuff work on her thing. And then I hope tonight we're going to go out and look at some Christmas lights. That's on my agenda.
Right.
Notice I said my agenda.
Right. Well, I mean, I'm not opposed to that. It's just that if it's rain, I don't think it's...
Right. It depends on if we can safely take Ruby out and not get her wet, or if we have to take another vehicle, or we're not going to get her re-dirty just to go look at Christmas lights.
Right, that's right. Because we need her to look because she's going to be on camera tomorrow.
Yeah.
A lot of people are going to be looking at her.
I was going to say something else. I can't remember what I was going to say now. But anyway, we're good. All 3 of you. Hi. I think that's Gray. Has her head basically pinning Tux down. Slate jumped up when I came out the door. They seem to be doing good today. Tux was frisky earlier. You guys don't get to see it too often, but he actually does sometimes run and play chase the girls. When he chases Gray, she can get through the little cat door here faster than him. So she flies in, and it's just really cute to watch. But it only happens for, you know, a few minutes out of the day, and I'm not very good at catching that. I have no hands to pull it out while I'm filming. No hands, I tell you. I should have been filming as I put the car in the reverse and started to go backwards because the brakes were pretty rusted up, and it was a loud noise when they broke free in the car. You know, so much for creep, because I actually had to use the accelerator to get the car to start to move. But it was one of those releases that caused me to jump. South Park was packed with people, probably indoor basketball games today. Goodness, Main Street, Fuquay is packed with people. I don't know why. It is Community Day for Pokemon Go, and it's all of the prior Pokemon. But I'm not sure, you know, I know this is not all Pokemon Go traffic down here, so I don't know. I'm over here at Falcon Park looking for Pokemon. It was way too busy downtown to pull up near any of the regular Pokestops and try to catch anything. They're lured because it's Community Day and people go out and lure them, but yeah, you'd have to get out on foot. And it's 51, but feels pretty damp out there. So I'm not, and it takes a lot more time. I'm not feeling too motivated to do that. It's too wet for folks to be on the playground today, at least until it dries out a little bit more. Well, the asphalt is definitely still wet with puddles in a lot of places. I wouldn't want to be driving Ruby around right now if she were already clean, that's for sure. Honestly, there is so much traffic and congestion out here today in Fuquay, I would think it was Christmas Eve or the weekend before Christmas. It's just, wow. There are some other things I might have done in town today, but not with that traffic and crowd. Best done in the mornings after I get back to Fuquay or something, or while Johnny's at Taekwondo in the evenings, or I don't know. Not on a Saturday before Christmas. Not if you don't have to. It's 3:20 and I'm back home. It hasn't cleared up as much out here as I would have liked, considering Dawn was going to come outside and work with water. I didn't get too much at Guardian Angel. A unopened photo box, one of those cardboard boxes like you would get at Michael's craft store, and a Christmassy snowman hand towel. I enjoyed browsing, though. It wasn't quite as nuts in Guardian Angel as it was in the rest of the town. Hi. She goes, but you've been gone so long, Mom. You don't really want to look at those Pokemon, right? You want to love on me? Maybe you want to feed me. Maybe you want to feed me, Mom. I was just looking at the Pokemon shinies I got today. So my account got a Slackoff, a Totodile, a Bagon, and a Swinub. A nice, evenly rounded out. Don's account got a Totodile, a Swinub, a Torchic, and another Totodile. I didn't get any Trap Pinch on any of my accounts. Johnny's account got a shiny Swinub and 2 Slackoff. So like I said, I still don't have any shiny Trap Pinch because I missed that community day and didn't catch any today either. Now Don was watching, and the Workshop Addict channel yesterday, they had this Ryobi battery powered floor dryer. We'll be watching for it to go on sale. Maybe Father's Day sometime, you know.
Yeah, well, 80 bucks is a little bit pricey.
Especially when you already own a perfectly good fan. But that one had the benefit of you set it in the middle and it works in multiple directions at once. So it did have that going. You know how it is. It can almost take as long to get set up as it does to do the job.
Definitely causing me grief and aggravation.
Yeah, Dawn had a little trouble getting her dry like he likes. There's just too much humidity, too much water in the air. She looks really good though, Donnie.
Yeah.
Do you survive out here in the cold?
I never was cold. Yeah, it's just, you know, this new ceramic hybrid wax spray-on stuff. I can't get it buffed because the humidity is too, you know, it's not dry. I can't, that stuff's no, you know, it's my own fault. I'm not going to say the product is a pain, because I think if it was
drier,
if the humidity wasn't so close to 100%, because, you know, the dew point right now is like 40, and of course it's 40 out here, so there's just like nothing's drying. I wonder. So I used the Chemical Guys Citrus car wash, and I'm very impressed with it.
In the foam cannon.
In the foam cannon. I probably used too much because I didn't know. I used 250 milliliters in that bottle. I think I can fill the bottle up again, and so I'll get 3 car washes out of 250 milliliters. I'd say no more than 125 milliliters of that stuff to that approximately 1 liter bottle. It says put 1 ounce to 5 gallons or something, but that's for buckets. So that stuff's really concentrated is what I'm saying. And it really sticks. I mean,
The foam didn't run off.
It doesn't run off, and when you wash the car, the foam leaves that really nice soapy slick feel. So I'm very impressed with that. I can't tell if it, because you know it's dark, I don't know if it cleaned the car with the dam or not, but it seemed to do a good job. The Meguiar's hybrid something another ceramic spray and wax, I think the humidity is kind of messing it up. But like I said, I'm not unhappy. It's just that I think it's taken me like a half hour longer because I've gone over the car 3 times now trying to dry it and buff it, and it's still, I can still see streaks all over the car because it just will not wipe off.
Maybe overnight in the garage.
In the garage,
yeah.
That's right.
I'm gonna say it's a win for the quick. I'm leaving in 5 minutes to meet Michelle. I want to do a quick touch up on the floor mats in the front. Let's go. It's not gonna get all the little tiny crevices that the little handheld in the garage vac would, but
yeah,
being able to do it outside instead of while it's in the bay and just super quick, it's a win for the car, I think, too.
So this is what I was using. It's hybrid ceramic wax by Meguiar's. And usually Meguiar's makes really good products. And I think this is a good product. I just think the temperature got me, you know, the dew point and the outdoor temperature really close. So the humidity is like really close to 100%. And that didn't work. I'm sure on the backpack here it probably tells you to use it at, you know, above 50 degrees or something like that. Who knows? So anyway, it went on kind of splotchy, kind of gray blobs of this product, along with the whatever the inherent ingredient was, I guess. But when I wiped it down with the microfiber, it did definitely spread out. It went on easy. I just think you need to use it, you know, 60 degrees, 65 or above with something other than 100% relative humidity.
7 o'clock on a Saturday night. And Don had a notification that there was quite a few things coming today, so I let Don off the hook on going light hunting tonight, except for just a little bit close to the house. We like the snowflakes. This house is really pretty too. Well, this house has a lot going for it. I love the hot air balloon. I love the Santa with the fish in his pickup truck. It's just great. It's just very, very nicely done with the inflatables. Well, this house has done a really nice job with the handmade blue and green trees. I love the old school blow molds. Well, Don and I are pretty impressed with this house. If you look carefully, you'll see that behind that multicolored tree is a little gazebo with a table and chairs and a fan, and I have to come look at it during the day. I had Don turn around and come back for this one. I saw the roof and thought it was certainly worth taking a closer look at. It's very pretty. So this house is actually pretty close to our house, and every year they add more, and every year it looks even better than it did the year before. I'm very impressed. Yeah, I'm very impressed. It's super pretty. Yep, he's got a snow machine.